This FuranFlex installation was undertaken within a 9-storey office block that was heated by a conventional gas boiler, which up to this point was serviced by a brick-lined chimney. A high-efficiency condensing boiler was now being installed, which requires a sealed water and gas-resistant liner that prevents acidic precipitation and corrosion from flue gases escaping into surrounding structures. The manufacturer, Compositor, design and manufacture all the liners and installation equipment. All Action Chimney installation engineers have been trained and certified by Compositor. An initial CCTV survey assessment of the chimney is undertaken, and the liner is then produced to suit the geometry of the chimney. Liners can be manufactured to any length and can range from 50mm to 1 metre in diameter. The liner is made from a glass fibre thermosetting resin. Once the liner reaches 100 degrees Celsius, it undergoes a chemical reaction, which results in its setting as hard as steel. The liner can be either drawn up or lowered down the chimney, but in large installations such as this one, the liner is raised to the top by means of a steel cable that is connected to an electric winch that is controlled from the rooftop. As the liner is being winched up, CCTV is used to monitor its safe passage and progression up through the chimney. The liner is now in place and ready for the next stage in the operation. Steam heads are then prepared and securely fitted to either end of the liner. Up on top, the steam head is secured onto a mounting platform and set in position. A steam regulating chamber, which controls the pressure and steam output during the curing process, is connected to the lower steam head and the steam generators. A number of air blowers are attached to the steam chamber and are used to inflate the liner with high volume, low pressure air. Once inflated, the steam regulating vessel is opened and steam is released into the liner. The curing process begins immediately, and steam pressure monitored throughout the process. Depending on the length of run and liner diameter, the curing process can take between 2 and 4 hours. The curing process takes place over a number of phases and is complete when the liner becomes rigid on the top. Once set, the mounting platform is removed. Both ends of the liner are then trimmed off and made ready for termination mechanisms. The final stage involves the removal of the inner membrane from the liner. The lining process is now complete and ready for immediate connection to the system.